poll. I have 7 names. Each of the kids is going to draw out a name, and whoever's name gets pulled is going to get one of the Jamberry Mother's Day gift sets from me. Okay? Alright, so Jacob, go ahead and take one out. Now open it up. Hold on, Livy, hold on. Open it up.
Okay.
Unwrap it. And show it to Daddy.
It says
Sandy Theodore. Okay, so that one's from Jacob. Okay, Livy, you pick yours. Pick one. Just one.
Don't help her, Mommy.
There we go. Just pick one. I don't. They're all equally put on there. You want help opening it, baby? Elaine Teresa Hilton. Okay. Thank you for all of the nominations. I'm so excited about this.